Hey friends, I am at my store working today, but I wanted to take a minute to tell you about a work trip that I took to Ashland City, Tennessee. You see, Scott, Sarah, and I needed to hunker down and get away so that we could get a project done. So we decided to get an Airbnb so that we could do a work trip, a work away, you get the idea. We decided to visit Ashland City, which is a small, quaint town near Nashville, Tennessee. This town is filled with farms, rolling hills, and a river that runs through it. This little town had no shortage of charm. They were even having a turtle derby. We spent time relaxing and driving through the hills before we headed to our Airbnb. When we pulled up to this historic Airbnb, we were taken away by its charm. The beautiful large pond, the precious exterior of this home, we knew we had found a hidden gem. When you enter the home, moody and rich colors invite you in. The home perfectly blends old and new. Check it out. So if you're looking for a retreat in the Nashville area, I highly recommend this Airbnb. I will put all the details in the description of this video. And please go show them some love and follow them on Instagram and tell them I sent you. Oh, and when you stay here, you're gonna have to come visit me at my store at JD's. I would absolutely love to see you. Thank you so much for watching this tour, and I hope you have a great day.